In this video, we will understand cloud computing and AWS cloud. Before you understand AWS, you must understand one important word, that is what? Cloud. Either you can call cloud or cloud computing. Cloud or cloud computing. What is this cloud, guys? Let me compare with Google Drive. You know, right, Google Drive? Every one of you are using Google Drive, correct? So let's try to understand what is happening in Google Drive. Google company, somewhere in the world, they kept their physical storage somewhere in the world. They are providing that storage to us through internet. We are utilizing that storage and we are paying whatever we are using. Correct or not? Google company, somewhere in the world, they kept their physical storage. That storage they are providing to us. We are utilizing that storage and we are paying whatever we are using. Up to 15 GB it is free. If you want more than 15 GB, you need to pay some money to Google. Correct or not? So Google company is providing only storage, but AWS is providing everything. AWS is providing storage, servers, softwares, everything. Storage, servers, softwares, everything. That means AWS company, somewhere in the world, they kept their physical infrastructure. Physical infrastructure means physical servers, databases, everything in their location. Those things they are providing to us. We are utilizing those things through internet and we are paying to AWS whatever we are using. Simple. That means using someone else's resources through internet by paying some money. That is what we call cloud. Here we are using AWS resources through internet by paying some money to AWS. That's why we call AWS cloud. Simple. Got it? So what resources that we need from AWS? We need Linux servers. For that we need AWS. Understanding, right? If you want to access Google Drive storage, you need to have a Google account. You log into that account. From there only you can access Google Drive storage. You can utilize. In the same way, if you want to access AWS resources, you need to have one AWS account. You need to log into that account. From that account only you are going to launch Linux servers. So for that, we need to have AWS account. Okay. So let me show you how to create that account. It is completely free account. In companies also, we use the same account. Only difference is here, we create our account. In companies, company will create their account, but both are same. It is completely free account. I'll show you how to create this account. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next class.